There are many products available to choose gardening hand tools, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Mapei Race Garden Clippers. Made of premium materials with higher quality, this pair of scissors is praised for its sturdy construction and excellent sharpness, withstanding long periods of frequent use without breaking or losing effectiveness, with a sharper blade and a wear-resistant coating to keep the scissors sharp for a long time. You can use a sharpener to grind the blade. In garden pruning and pruning herbs, and pruning house plants, in various horticultural tasks such as plant propagation, pruning and trimming leaves, pruning small branches, and preparing the garden, highly regarded for its effectiveness and practicality when used in backyard gardening tasks such as garden planting, small gardening and yard/garden work. Suitable size and well-designed, flexible handle can adapt to different hand types, comfortable grip for small and medium-sized hands. The scissors work perfectly and require very little force to cut the material. This high cutting efficiency makes the scissors easy to use and reduces the effort required. It can also be used for small pruning jobs and can even cut down thick oak branches, demonstrating their strength and durability. The scissors are reliable and easy to use. They feel comfortable and durable, suitable for a variety of cutting tasks. Excellent ability to handle difficult tasks such as cutting grass, trimming overgrowth and cutting large diameter branches. This pair of scissors is a gift for gardening enthusiasts because of its easy-to-lock feature and comfortable handle design. Among horticulturists, it's a popular choice for Christmas gifts. We do not have to worry about the quality and after-sales problems of this brand protection pruning scissors. Next, Grandpa's Weeder. Old school, easy-to-use design that's been around since 1913. Please read instructions on how to use the tool properly and watch product videos. It's almost so simple, people overthink it. Easy and simple weeding tool that saves your back and knees with Grandpa's 45 inches stand-up long handle. Remove weeds without bending, pulling, or kneeling. Grandpa's Weeder is the original garden weeder and has been removing weeds and their roots for over 100 years. Strong and durable weed puller that's built to last. This stand-up weeder features a four-claw design that tackles weeds on softer soil types, particularly after a good watering or rainfall. Please note that it may not perform as well on hard clay or rocky surfaces. Controls weeds without harmful chemicals, safe for children, pets, and Mother Nature. American company. Family-owned in the Pacific Northwest. Next, Soltero Gardening Shears. Crafted from Japanese SK5 high-carbon steel, the bypass pruning shears for gardening feature ultra-fine polished curved blades, ensuring precise and clean cuts without causing extra damage to plants. The heat-treated, hardened SK5 high-carbon steel maintains sharpness even with frequent use, preventing the garden pruning shears dulling and chipping. The garden shears pruning feature a rust-resistant coating and a non-stick layer, effectively preventing the blades from rusting and avoiding the adhesion of juices during cutting, making gardening shears easy to clean. The integrated, forged aviation-grade aluminum handle features an ergonomic design and anti-slip surface, providing comfort even during extended use. Plus, the patented coil spring mechanism delivers quick rebound after cutting, making it more efficient and effortless compared to traditional wire springs. When the garden scissors not in use, the safety lock allows you to securely close the blade to prevent cutting accidents due to sharpness. Additionally, our safety lock features a patented washer that effectively addresses issues with difficult opening, closing, and locking mechanisms. The gardening tool perfect gardening gifts for women men unique. The garden tools are best cool gifts for gardeners women men. The plant scissors are garden gifts for women men. The garden scissors heavy duty are plant gifts for men. The gardening hand tools are yard work gifts for men. The secateurs are gardener gifts for men women. The super scissors are gifts for arthritic hands. The garden gadgets are florist gifts for women. Next, Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears. Steel blade plant shears are ideal for a variety of pruning tasks like cutting flower stems. Gardening shears with bypass action are ideal for cutting delicate stems, as the bypass action is less likely to cause damage to the stems. Maximum power and precision. Fiskars pruning shears with low friction blade coating makes smooth cuts, reduces gumming, and enhances rust resistance. The hand pruners with steel blades stay sharp through heavy use and provide excellent durability. Smart features. Garden scissors heavy duty, with self-cleaning sap groove keeps blades from sticking, and non-slip grip handle and easy open lock allows for more control of garden clippers. Handheld, fits well in most pruner holsters. Quality garden tools, designed to help you cultivate a better garden. Fiskars pruning shears are equipped with smart technologies and award-winning, ergonomic features that make it easier and more enjoyable to transform your outdoor space. Includes Fiskars Bypass Pruning Shears that make great clippers for gardening, full lifetime warranty.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.